Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Bose from Cape Town in South Africa. I'm super excited to be part of this meeting. We're going to cover all aspects of treatment planning, from full mouth rehabilitation, single cases, orthodontics, soft tissue corrections, implants, and some really complex cases as well. The importance of smile design really has changed the way we practice here in Cape Town. It's a tool that allows us to communicate accurately with the team. It allows us to accurately communicate with patients, and really it drives all treatment plans. It allows us to work in a guided way. We're also going to look a lot at all the digital tools that I use, how we digitize patients, how we create these files which we work on, and then to show you how I implement the restorative phase mostly, which is my responsibility in our team in these cases for our patients, providing more precise treatment. We're going to talk about scan strategies, we're going to talk about lab communication, we're going to discuss ceramic restorations, we're going to discuss guided tooth preparation, we're going to talk about bite registrations, we're going to talk about material selections. I really hope you'll be there. I'm so looking forward to this event. So again, the Baltic Academy of Aesthetic Dentistry, treatment planning, taken to another level. So be there, 19th to the 21st of November. I'll see you all soon.